Every morning, we wake up because of one thing: the sun, a giant fireball hanging in the sky, so powerful that if it disappeared for even 1 second, life on Earth would end forever. But here's the terrifying truth. In the universe, our sun is not a giant. It is dust, a tiny spark, because somewhere deep in the Milky Way, 20,000 light years away, there exists a monster so huge that if you place it inside our solar system, Earth would disappear before you could even blink. It's named Stephenson 2 to 18, a dying supergiant star, a cosmic beast so massive that light itself struggles to travel around it. And tonight, you are going to see what happens if this monster replaced our sun. Trust me, after this video, the night sky will never feel peaceful again. Let's understand its size first. Our sun is already gigantic. You could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside it. Sounds insane, right? Now forget that number, because Stephenson 2 to 18 could fit nearly 10 billion suns inside its volume. Yes, billion. If this star suddenly appeared where our sun is right now, Mercury would instantly vanish. Venus would melt into atomic dust. And Earth, not destroyed, not burned, erased. Every city, every ocean, every human story, gone into silence in less than a second. Imagine standing on the moon and seeing the entire sky replaced by a dark red wall of boiling fire. No stars, no darkness, only death. And the horror doesn't stop there. This monster is so huge that its surface would stretch beyond Jupiter. That means every inner planet in our solar system would live inside the star.
Now imagine this. You are standing on Saturn's moon Titan, billions of kilometers away from Earth. You look toward the sky, expecting darkness, but instead, you see an endless ocean of red plasma covering half the universe. A living wall of fire, bigger than imagination itself. The temperature? Millions of degrees. The sound? Absolute silence. Because space does not carry screams. Inside Stephenson 2 to 18, storms larger than our entire solar system explode every day. Giant bubbles of burning gas rise from deep inside the star, then erupt violently into space. Each eruption could swallow all the planets we know. And the scariest part? This star is dying. Its gravity is becoming weak. Its outer layers are drifting away into space, like a wounded god bleeding in darkness. Scientists believe it loses unimaginable amounts of matter every second. It is literally tearing itself apart, slowly, painfully, alone. Now comes the part that breaks the human brain. Light is the fastest thing in existence. Nothing can move faster. Light can circle Earth 7 times in just 1 second. Now guess how long light takes to travel around our sun? About 14 seconds. Easy. But Stephenson 2 to 18 changes everything. If a beam of light tried to circle this star, it would take almost 9 hours. Think about that. Light itself becomes slow here. And if a passenger airplane tried flying around its surface at normal speed, it would take around 500 years just to complete 1 circle. Your entire bloodline would die before the journey finished. This is no longer astronomy. This is cosmic horror, a scale so large, the human mind refuses to accept it. And yet, this monster truly exists, right now, somewhere in the darkness above us.
But giant stars have a curse. The bigger they are, the faster they die. Stephenson 2 to 18 burns fuel at a suicidal speed. Its core is fighting against unimaginable gravity every second. But one day, the fuel will finally run out. And when that happens, fusion inside the core will stop forever. For one terrifying moment, gravity will win the entire star. Billions of miles of burning matter will collapse inward at terrifying speed. Then, boom, a hypernova, an explosion so violent it could outshine the Milky Way galaxy itself. For a few seconds, this dying star may become brighter than billions of suns combined. Gamma rays will blast through space. Entire planets could lose their atmospheres. Alien worlds may vanish instantly. And at the center of the explosion, something horrifying will be born. A black hole, a wound in reality itself. A place where gravity becomes infinite, and even light can never escape again. The scary part is, Stephenson 2 to 18 is real. Right now, while you are watching this video, that giant is still floating in silence. Somewhere inside our galaxy, we are safe. It is too far away to harm Earth. But knowing it exists changes something inside you, because suddenly, the universe feels different. The night sky no longer looks peaceful. It feels alive, wild, ancient, like a graveyard filled with dying giants. And maybe, out there in the darkness, there are things even bigger than Stephenson 2 to 18. Things humanity was never meant to see. So, tonight, when you look up at the stars, remember this. Earth is not the center of existence. We are just dust floating quietly between monsters, pause, and somewhere in the darkness, another giant may already be dying.